Introducing the 95-3315B, a new dash kit solution for the 2018 to 2024 GMC Terrain. Engineered to help you install a 4-inch tall aftermarket radio into the original vehicle dashboard. This dash kit helps make radio replacement simple and is painted scratch-resistant matte black to match the original look and feel of the vehicle's dashboard. Installing an aftermarket radio can upgrade the sound quality and provide additional features the original factory radio couldn't offer. But this dash kit is required to make it fit. Single-DIN radio provision with pockets sold separately, the 88-00-9004. This is important today because of so many floating screen radios that have a single-DIN chassis with a large screen. Panel designed to include vehicles with either the 7-inch or 8-inch screen. Painted scratch-resistant matte black to match the factory finish. Made from the highest quality ABS plastic for an original factory-like fit and finish. Includes brackets and hardware parts needed with detailed installation instructions. Factory climate controls, hazard button, vents, and vent trims are all reused. A tech support number is available for installation help 7 days a week. 1-year limited warranty. If you would like to see the full installation video, click the link in the description below. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterfaces.com for antenna adapters, audio video, and steering wheel control interface options. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.